Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Giselle, so welcome. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial on the look that I have on my face and my eyes right now. So if you are interested in learning how I achieved this look, of course keep on watching, but before you do so, if you made it this far right now, I know you are enjoying it or there's something about the video on my channel that you liked. So go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you don't miss another video, okay? And let's get to it. Urban Decay has been on a roll with a lot of new products that are about to be coming out, and their PR packages are popping right now, okay? So they sent me a little box full of goodies, and it has their brand new face and eye palette. And I gotta open it carefully because it has a mirror in the middle and the mirror is detachable. So it comes with 2 highlighters and 2 blushes and some eyeshadow colors. I also received some of their 24/7 eyeliners and the Backtalk lipstick, which I have already talked about on my channel through the swatch and trial haul of the Vice lipsticks that I did. So this palette is named after Backtalk, the lipstick, which is this one right here. Like I said before I was interrupted, the palette is named after Backtalk, which is one of their Vice lipsticks, and this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty pink mauve shade. It's very nude on the lips. I love it. Like nude, but it still works for girls of our complexion, you know what I mean? I don't believe that the palette is out yet, but my thoughts on it are that, I mean, I like it. It looks beautiful on my monitor. It looks beautiful in person. It was just one of those palettes that I had to work with it a little bit more to get it to be a little bit more pigmented. But I think that that could stem from, since this is, you know, inspired by the nudes that Urban Decay is known for, that they didn't want it to be like a bam palette, you know what I mean? Otherwise, like the colors on the palette are super pretty. Basically my whole face is done with the palette because I also have the blush and the highlight on, and I have no issues with it. Like those two were very pretty. The color payoff was good. Overall, I think it's a good palette. It would be one of those things like you'd have to go in the store and swatch it so you can really see if you like it for yourself. What else? I don't have a date on me for release, so I'm not sure when this is going to be hitting stores, but be on the lookout for it. I don't want to talk too much, so let's just get right in the tutorial and you can see how everything works as I am using it. I'm going to dip into WTF, which is more, it's like it's a brown and it has a red undertone to it, but not super red. And I'm just going to put that on my crease. And I take my time with blending my crease because I want to make sure that it's seamless, and I'm sure you've heard this through many of my tutorials and others. So take your time, use the right tools, and just blend away. Now I'm gonna go in with Backtalk, which is more of like a pinky shade, like a pinky nude. I don't know how that's going to translate on my lid, but I want to try it out. Using the same brush, I'm going to, where do I want to put this? Let me put it towards the outside here so I can see what it looks like. That's not really showing up on me. It's really soft. Like if I wanted to do a really soft nude look, that's the color I would pick up. So that color doesn't do much of anything. I can see it, but it would be for like a really, really natural look. I'm talking about like no makeup type of thing, but you want a little bit more color on the lid. Has like a pinky shade. It's pretty. Like I can see, I don't know if it's really going to show up on camera, but looking in the mirror, I can see that it's there. I think it would also work as a transition color for doing more of like pink looks. I think it would work really great for that, but not on its own necessarily. Now I'm gonna go in with Shade, which is like a purpley color. It has a little bit of shimmer on it, it seems. More of like a satin. Pigmentation wise with this palette, so far right now with brushes is not really doing much besides that very first color I used. Okay, it's showing up a little bit more, but I'm really having to work the color on there. I am getting a little bit of fallout, mostly on this eye. Should have put some powder on before. So this is what I have so far. It looks pretty. I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay's Glide On 24/7 pencil, and this one is Heartless. And I'm going to apply this on the section that I don't have any eyeshadow on, which is the center of my eye. Oops. Now that I have that base down, I'm gonna go in with Curve, which is another shimmery shadow with a pinky undertone, and I'm just going to press it right on top of that liner. That I just used as a base. Now I'm going to use that very first color that I used on my crease, and I'm going to put that right under my lash line. It's called WTF. So off camera, I went ahead and I put on my mascara and lashes, and the mascara that I'm using today is the Big Colossal by Maybelline, and it's the Makeup Shayla version. And the lashes I'm using are from Allure Luxe, and these are in the style Isis. With the lashes on and everything, it looks really cute. I like the way these colors are working together right now. And I'm pretty sure I already have mentioned this in the beginning, but this is a face and eyes palette. So now we're gonna go on to the other side right here and do highlighting and blush. For highlight, I'm going to use Party Foul, which is this one right here. And as Makeup Shayla would say, this is a humble highlight, okay? It's humble. Which I don't mind, because sometimes you just want something a little bit more subtle. For work, for example, like I work in an office and I can't just be going in there shining bright like a diamond all the time. It's just giving a really pretty glow to the skin while looking natural. So I like it. It might be too subtle for some people, because I know some people are like, if I'm gonna put highlighter on, you better be banging, you know? But you guys see it, like, it gives the skin a really pretty glow. I also went ahead and I added some to my brow bone to highlight it a little bit more. Now for the blush, I'm going to use Double Take, and it's this one right here. Like I was saying, this palette is called Backtalk, and they have the Backtalk lipstick, which is from their Vice line. Let's put it on. I'm going to also use the Backtalk lip gloss. This is the Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss. I'm gonna do it over that. And for lip liner, I'm going to use Cork from MAC. By the way, I love these glosses. I did a try on swatch haul on it, and I'm gonna leave it right over here or here, whichever side it goes on. These are bomb. Alright guys, this is the look. I'm loving it. Like, I love the way that it turned out. I love the way that it looks against my skin. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial as well. And if you are going to be trying out this palette, let me know in the comment section below. Or which color was your favorite? Did you like the look at all? You know what I mean? Let's talk. Let's get a conversation going. As usual, if you have not done so yet, go ahead and make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the like button so that I know that you are enjoying my videos. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.